In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redesign your Wix website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to refresh your existing site or you've decided to start from scratch and create something entirely new, this step-by-step guide will help you achieve your web design goals quickly and efficiently. Let's begin by signing in to your Wix account. If you manage multiple sites, you'll initially find yourself on the All Sites page. From there, you'll need to carefully select the specific site that you wish to update or redesign. Choosing the right site is crucial because this is where all your efforts will be focused, ensuring that you're in the right place before you begin making changes. Now, when it comes to redesigning your Wix site, you have two main pathways to consider. First, there's the option of updating and refreshing your existing site. This involves tweaking the current design, adjusting elements, or upgrading visuals and content to give it a new lease on life. Alternatively, if you feel inspired to completely reimagine your site, you might want to build a new site from scratch. This approach allows for a fresh start, where you can apply the latest design trends or novel ideas you've been envisioning. If you're opting to refresh an existing design, you'll need to click on Edit Site. It's located on your Wix dashboard, and this will take you straight into the Wix editor. The Wix editor is a robust tool that gives you the power to modify your website's content and design elements, offering a user-friendly interface that lets you drag and drop various components, adjust layouts, and even change colors or fonts with ease. However, if you're more inclined towards creating a new site, head back to the dashboard if needed. Look for the ellipsis located beside the Edit Site button. Once you click on it, a menu will appear, presenting you with the option to create a new site. Selecting this will guide you through the process of designing a brand new website from the ground up. Here, you can choose from a variety of templates and design elements tailored to fit different industries and styles, giving you a plethora of options to create something that truly reflects your vision. As you explore these options, remember that the key to a successful redesign is to keep the audience at the forefront of your decisions. Think about how changes or new designs will enhance their experience and communication of your message. By following these straightforward steps, you'll efficiently navigate the process of redesigning your Wix website, allowing you to focus on creativity and effectiveness in delivering your content. I hope you find this guide helpful and that it inspires you to create a stunning, user-friendly site that meets your objectives. Thank you for tuning in,